how to change Outlook password on phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to change your Outlook password on your phone, all you have to do is first of all, you will not be able to change it via the Outlook application. Over here, if you have been using the Outlook app, you will not be able to do it from there. Instead, what you have to do is simply open up your browser, then go to outlook.live.com/mail, which is the Outlook mail address you want to use on the website, and make sure you sign into the Outlook account. Once you are logged into Outlook Mail from your browser, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, then go to My Microsoft account. Now, your Outlook account comes from your Microsoft account, so changing the password for your Outlook account means you're changing the password for your Microsoft Outlook account. Once you come to the My Microsoft account page, you scroll down, go to this option known as Security, and then open the drop-down menu. When you open the Security tab, you'll find this option called Change Password. Tap on Change Password. All you have to do is simply first of all verify your identity by selecting the specific email address. After that, you will take into this page. Here, enter your current password, your new password, re-enter it and tap Save. This way, you can change the Outlook password on phone. So that's basically how you can change Outlook password on phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.